So today we have the 2003 Chevy Blazer. As you've seen in the first part of the video, we did a walk around of the truck and we already installed the headlights, and now today we're going to be installing the tail lights. So stay tuned and we'll go ahead and get that done. So these are the old tail lights. As you see, they're faded, look outdated. So we're going to go ahead and bring this truck up to date with some new tail lights. Like I said, we already have the headlights already installed. If you haven't seen that video, you can rewind back and check it out. So here we have the left one. It's pretty simple. It's a Chevy product, so it's pretty simple to take apart. Mainly it's a screwdriver, and you have this small shock here that works with the tailgate. It helps it, with going up and down. So you just move that out the way with a flat head. And then here we have the new lights I'm going to be installing. They are wrapped up, and I'm doing this with one hand, so bear with me. They look 10 times better than the original. Here we go. Now I was going to go with like the black housing on the inside, but something about the tinted dark ones, I said I could try those out, and they actually look pretty nice. So I'm kind of glad I didn't go with the all black inside on the lights. So you have two screws on the top, one at the bottom, and then you have your light bulbs once you pop it out. Now these haven't been out in a long time, so want to make sure you be careful with them. Make sure you don't break anything. And this is a side-by-side comparison, just to make sure it's the same size. Great quality, because they're actually the same size and they fit right in. See all the holes and everything line right back up. And now we have everything plugged back in. And just like that, it is back, and you just clip that piece back on here. It's for the tailgate, and boom. Then on to the next side. See, have that one installed, and just clamp this back on. Now if you need to, use a screwdriver to get that off. It's a little clamp to hold it on. This is like a night view of the headlights. It's not actually like all the way dark outside, but it's dark enough. And this is a shot of the tail lights when they're on. Looks pretty good. Like I said, they fit nice, no gap or anything. Overall, they came out real nice. Make sure you leave a comment down below. What do you think of the lights? Did I pick a nice looking set? Also, if you're wondering what the price is, I'll leave a link down in the description below. They are at a pretty fair price. Just let me know what you guys think of it down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. We're just beginning the build on this vehicle here, and start with the outside. Still have some stuff to do, like this bottom strip down here. Need to remove that. It's like a reflector type deal that came on the vehicle, so I'm going to be removing that. It's actually all the way around the vehicle, so I have to take my time and remove all of that as I go. Luckily it's not yellow, it's a white, so it blends in until I get the time to remove it. But so far we have done the lights, we did the wheels, and I put the V6 badging. I'm not sure if you guys can better see it on this video. It came off the new Colorado pickup truck, so I added the V6 badge to this vehicle. I think it looks pretty good. Let me know what you guys think. Definitely helps to look a little more modern than the old foggy headlights with the old yellow turn signals. That definitely made it look super old. The paint is actually in pretty good shape, so we will be has a couple spots that we need to take care of, and then we can go ahead and do it.